Hello everybody, welcome to another Blue Eyes Light recording. This is going to be on how to install TruckerMP. I'm going to take you through step by step on it, how I would install it. I'm going to actually show you them installing it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Steam. If you got ATS, ETS, or both, and you want to play them on TruckerMP, the first thing you got to do is have a legal copy of the game. Once you have the legal copy, you got to play 2 real hours. And your time has to be registered in Steam under playtime. There have to be at least 2.0 hours in there. Let's go for ATS and ETS. The next thing you need to make sure you do is go to your profile, go to edit profile, and then go under privacy settings. Now you need to make sure my basic is set to public, where TruckerMP and your game detail need to be set to wrong one. Okay, basic detail have to be set to public. Then you go to TruckerMP. You will get a screen like this. You got to register or log in. I'm already a registered member. I will try to show you this, but I'm going to go up to a certain point. I'm not going to re-register. You can associate, well, you have to associate with Steam. I already have that. Once you've done that, then, pretty much the rest of it going to be told on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And you will get the latest changes. Let's try to go back to the home page. Let's get rid of that. This is also your rules and whatnot. You have to acknowledge and submit. Now you're back on the home page. Get the mod. TruckerMP is actually a mod. Everybody think that TruckerMP is part of the game. It ain't. It's a mod. Just like any other mod for your game. I will be going over how to install mods on a different video, but for the time being, I'm just going to show you how to install TruckerMP. You will hit the download. You want to hit the green download again. This will make you a file in your download called launcher 1004.zip. And I didn't even know I had that in there before, but apparently I got 2 of them in there now. So you want to go to your downloads. You want to find the launcher 1004. Right click on it, hit open. Inside you will see install TruckerMP. You double click that. Hit yes on that. Now, next thing, you will be welcome to the launcher. On the first screen, you want to hit Next. Then you got your user license. You want to accept. Next. Now, this is asking you where do you want the TruckerMP launcher be installed to. Mine going to be C program files TruckerMP launcher. Next, this is an important one. You will be asked, do you want to install ETS2MP and or ATS-MP? If you only got one of these, say like if you only got ATS, uncheck the ETS. You will understand why here in a few minutes. But if you got both and you want to play both on MP, do both. I don't have ETS installed on my system right now, so I'm going to uncheck it. Then you want to hit Next. Right here. This is where a lot of people end up messing up at. Because right now they're asking for my directory. Well, if you had the ETS mark, it would be asking for your ETS directory. And if you don't have ETS, you won't have that directory. That's why you need to make sure you got the games installed onto your computer before you do this part. Since I don't have ETS installed, I don't play ETS on here. So it's asking for my Steam, my ATS directory. Now I'm going to show y'all three ways doing this. First way, if it's installed on your hard drive, internal hard drive, default hard drive, probably under Windows C, then you will go to Program Files, or Program Files 86 actually, sorry. Then you want to look for Steam, then Steam Apps, Common, then your ATS or ETS2. I have mine on a different hard drive, so I'm going to show you that way. So we go back here and I'm going to go to my D hard drive, which is my 2 terabytes hard drive, and then I'm going to find Steam, Steam App, Common, and American Truck. Okay, the third way you can find that location is under Steam. You right click on the title, American Trucks, or Your Trucks, Property, Local Files, Browse Local File, and it will pop up your destination. Okay, now back to this. Well, I know mine is on my external hard drive, and it usually would be listed here as to where it is, but if not, we're going to go through it. I'm going to actually clear that out. I want to clear it out here. You're probably presented with a blank one, so we're going to find it. We're going to go to my D hard drive, which is in my Toshiba 2 terabytes. I'm looking for Steam. Then I'm looking for Steam Apps, Common, and there's my ATS. Now, you want to make sure you open the American Truck, nothing else, and hit OK. So it should be D, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, American Truck Simulator. If you got it on your C drive, which is your internal hard drive, which should be C, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, American trucks. Then you hit next. This is setup will create a shortcut. Okay, basically it's going to set up a couple shortcuts. One should be going on the desktop. You hit yes. It asks you if you want the desktop. Hit if you do want that desktop icon, make sure the check mark is clicked. If not, then de-click it. I'm gonna leave it on. Then it's basically going to give you information, letting you confirm your location and everything. Then hit install. There, it's installed. Now, you got it installed. You double click on that. Okay. Since I already got the updated version, I don't have to go through the updates. But if I didn't have the updated version, I would have a box here that would say American Truck Simulator, Euro Truck Simulator 2 system updates. And these here would be blank. I would have to do the update before I can get access to MP. I already done the updates, so I'm going to hit launch ATS. Now, you add the TruckerMP login. The information that you're going to put in here is going to be the same information you would use when you registered. So it's going to be your email and your password. Then you hit login. Then you'll be presented with this screen. I usually go on US Simulation. So I'm going to click on the second one to hit join server. I'm going to hit OK on this screen. I usually have multiple profiles. One is dedicated directly just for MP. Rest of them is, other profiles. So I'm going to hit my multiplayer and going to hit continue. Since I ain't really set up to doing driving, I'm just going to go to the main menu and shut it down from there. It's this easy to install. There, I'm on MP. I'm not going to worry about this. Like I said, I don't have my steering wheel hooked up and anything, but from here on, you should not have play. Basically, hit your drive button, go into your truck, job market, find your jobs, and so on. So I'm going to exit out of this. And that's going to be a wrap on this tutorial. Like I said, it's plain and simple. Just make sure you got a legitimate copy of the game and you got your profile public, where MP can come in and check that you got the legitimate copy of the game and the recommended 2 hours of playtime. Now, on your playtime, to get the 2 hours, there's a couple ways you could do it. One is you could sit there and play the whole 2 hours in game to make money and get your own truck. Oh yeah, that's another thing. You got to own your own truck to play MP. Or said that at the beginning. The second way is just turn the game on and just let it run for 2 hours. It's that simple. I want to thank y'all for attending this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. If you got any questions, leave a comment in the description or in the comment box below. I will get back to you. I will try to answer your question as best as possible. I will have links in the description box below to TruckerMP, so you can get the MP up and running. And if you follow these steps, you'll be on MP in no time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you're not subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like what you've seen and if it was helpful. If it wasn't helpful, then feel free to hit dislike. It don't matter to me, 'cause I'm not in this to make money. I'm into this to enjoy games, enjoy the people I play with, and I just love gaming and loving helping people. Thank y'all, and y'all have a good day.